Inner thighs, so many of us hate them and we are always looking for ways to work them out and tone them up. Today I'm going to share with you some exercises that focus on your inner thighs. Hi, I'm Gabby, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new workout. Today's video is a follow along inner thigh focused workout. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into the workout, and also I'll put the name of the exercises down below. Let's get straight into it. Bringing yourself into your first position at plié squat. So you're going to send the feet wider than your hips. I just want you to clasp the hands together. Now roll the shoulders backwards and down. Go nice and tall through the torso. You're going to take a drop down and a lift up. Lift. Go drop, lift up, drop down, lift up. So you're singing the tailbone nice and low. The knees go over the top of the middle toe here. So do not let the knees cave in. You want to keep them pushed backwards and out. We go down, then lift. Drop down, lift up, keep going. Press down, lift up. 7, 6, then lift. Go 5 more, then you're going to hold stillness. 4 more. You have 3 until stillness. Go 2. Last one. Now hold it down nice and low. You're going to keep pushing your tailbone down to the floor, clasping those hands together. Now you're going to go for a little drop, lift, drop, lift, drop down, lift, okay, go down, then up, then lift. 1 press, 1 lift. The whole time you're pushing from your inner thighs and squeezing all the way backwards. Drop down, lift up, lift up. You've got 4 more, then we're going to hold. 3, 2. Now hold nice and low, pushing the tailbone down to the floor. Double check, are your knees pushing backwards? That is the only way you're going to get into those inner thighs. Now you're going to press 1 heel nice and high. Put on your highest pair of heels that you own. Press 1 heel high. Now little tiny pulses down, down, down. So the hips are going down to the floor. Down, keep going, press. Squeeze, dropping down. You have 8, 7, 6, lower this heel down, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, hold. Now press this heel down to the floor, squeeze the other heel up nice and high, little tiny drop, drop, go squeeze, go press. So we're going down again with that tailbone, and you should start to really find that burn through the thighs here. We're going outside thighs, inside thighs, top of the thighs. We're working everywhere right now. Go 7, go 6, lower the heel down in 5, in 4, you have it, 3, 2. Now drop this heel down. This is so important that you really think about what you're doing now. With the inner thighs, the legs are gonna wrap back, back, back. So you're squeezing the back of your thighs behind yourself. Now as you squeeze backwards, imagine you've got your hands in your inner thighs and you are pressing away with your inner thighs. Your wrap. Push those thighs backwards. Press, press. Now can you drop that tailbone even lower down to the floor? Imagine you've got something balanced on your head. Keep your body upright. Squeeze those thighs backwards, back. Press, squeeze back. Keep going. You have a final 10, 9, 8. Then we're going to the floor. 7, 6, keep going, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lift it up, give it a quick shake off. You're going to lower yourself now down towards the floor. I want you to bring your right forearm, pop it on the floor, bring this left hand in front. Now send both the feet out to the side. So legs are all the way out towards the side of yourself. Now you're going to lift your top leg all the way up. I want both your hips forwards and the top leg is extended. Stay right there. Inhale in. Exhale, float that leg 1 more inch up to the ceiling. You've got this. Now you're going to slowly squeeze toe to toe and then bring it all the way back up to the ceiling. So you're going to slowly squeeze toe to toe, bring it back up towards the ceiling. Now this will not only get your inner thighs, you will also feel this on the outside of your glutes. You're getting a glute workout and an inner thigh workout today. Squeeze all the way up and lift. Lower back down. You've got it. We've got 5 more. Squeeze all the way up. Hand drop all the way back down. We've got 4 more here to go. Lift all the way up. Lower down. 3 more. And then we're going to keep that leg nice and high. Drop down. 2. 2 more, all the way up, all the way down. Now last one, I want you to squeeze the side of the leg up to the ceiling. Both the hips are forwards. Now we're gonna really get into that inner thigh. I want you to flex through the foot. I want you to imagine now you're drawing a rainbow. So you're gonna draw the rainbow down, and then draw it all the way back around. So you're gonna half circle with your foot, all the way round, and then all the way around. So you got a little half circle here, round, back. So the top of your foot is drawing around a rainbow, a half circle, all the way around. Oh my gosh, this burns. All the way around, keep going. Squeeze the toe down. Squeeze it back round. So you're pressing toe to the floor, and then heel to the floor. Keep going. We've got 6 more of these to go. And press all the way back. Whew. We've got 5 more, we can get through it. And all the way back, because you've got 4 more here to go. Squeeze all the way round. And press all the way back. Keep going. 3. And all the way back. Just go 2. And all the way back. Now last one, keep the toe dipped down to the floor. I know. The toe is down to the floor, the heel is nice and high. Now you're gonna give me a little tiny lift. Oh my gosh, go up. So the heel is squeezing to the ceiling, the toe is dived down, so we're getting right in towards the outside of the glute, to the inner thigh. Go 10, give me 9, 8 more, get it higher. You've got 7, 6, keep pushing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. This top leg is then going to bend behind. The underneath leg is straight. You're still on the forearm. Now you're going to float this leg up and away from the floor. So the leg is floated, the hips are still trying to rock forwards, and you can just relax this foot that's floating in the air. So now think inner thigh. We are tackling this little problem area everybody hates, including me. You can take this back heel in towards a heel position here, high heel position if you want to. The leg's off the floor, you're not going anywhere. Now tap the floor, lift the leg, tap, lift. As you lift the leg up, you're going to try and work from here, up. Go tap, squeeze up, tap, squeeze up. Keep going, tap the floor, squeeze it up. Tap the floor, squeeze it up. Give me 7 of these. 6 more of these. Keep going. 5, lift it up. 4 more, then we're going to find stillness at the top. 2. Whew. Last one now, you're going to lift all the way up as high as you can. I want you to flex this foot, so drive the heel away, pull the toe in. Now you're going to invert your toe to the floor, the heel's lifted nice and high. You should feel it right here in that inner thigh. Now you're going to take little tiny lifts, lift, and squeeze. Pulling the heel up towards the ceiling. As you start to find that burn in your inner thigh, say goodbye, inner thighs. Lift, squeeze, go up, press the heel to the ceiling. You should really get into those inner thighs here. Lift and lift, pushing it up. Heel goes first to get more of a burnout. You have a final 10, 9, it burns me too, 8, 7, 6, 5, it's done in 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight away, we're going to switch up other side. So just flick your legs all the way around towards the other side, and then we're going to lie on towards your forearm this way, extend both the legs. Now you're going to press this top leg up to the ceiling, so you've got 2 gorgeous straight legs. We go again. Tap, up. Tap, up. Go down, lift up. Now double check, are both your hips pointing forwards? You've got your hips stacked on top of each other, and the top of your foot is pointing forwards here. Go lift, tap it down, up, then tap. Keep going, 7 more of these, 6 more of these, you got it, 5 more. 4 more, then we're going to find stillness. 3, tap it down. 2, now last one, I want you to hold the leg as high as you possibly can. You're going to go back into that flex position, the knee joint is nice and straight, and now you're going to draw that rainbow all the way over, half rainbow, all the way over even, and then back. So you're drawing a rainbow half circle over, and then back, all the way over, dive it down, heel presses back. Now keep on going. I know that you have this, I know it burns, but it's so great for those thighs, so great for your glute. You've got this. It's a 2-in-1 today. You're only tackling those inner thighs, you're working your glute as well, all the way over, you're working into your butt as well, and then all the way over, dive it down, all the way pressing it backwards. We've got 3 more of these to go, and all the way backwards. You've got 2 more here to go, and all the way backwards. Last one, keep the toe down, down, down to the floor. The toe is down, the heel is high. Now little tiny lift, lift, whoo, lift. Now really think inner thigh is squeezing down, down. Keep going. 8, 7, turn that toe down. 6, 5, 4, I'm shaking. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Quick shake out. This top leg goes behind in towards a high heel position. So the toe is down to the floor and this underneath leg extends and lifts. Hold right there. Now, as you are lifting that underneath leg, I want you to think right now, inner thigh is working. The only thing lifting your leg is that inner thigh. You've got a piece of string like a puppet and the inner thigh is squeezing as you lift the leg all the way up. Let's go. Tap, lift, tap down, lift up, tap down, lift up. Now, you might not go very far with that underneath leg, but I really just want you to isolate the movement into that inner thigh. As long as you can really connect with your inner thigh and you can think about working where you're working from, you're going to get the results. It doesn't matter about height. Lift up. Let's work those inner thighs. 5, 4 more, 3 more. You've got it. 2, last one. Now I want you to lift the leg up and hold stillness right there. Inner thigh should be burning right now. If it's not, use that inner thigh like a puppet. Lift the leg higher. I know you've got it. Press into that high heel in the back foot. Now little tiny, up, up, squeeze, squeeze. Really commit to your workout. This is your last thing here. You are right at the end of your workout. So get that leg a little bit higher. Work those inner thighs even more. Commit to it. Squeeze, lift. Just give me a final 10 more lifts. 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep lifting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give your legs a really quick shake out here. And then you're going to come in towards an inner thigh stretch. So I want you to bring one leg out to the side, just like this, and one leg comes in, and then you're going to hold there. I can feel that straight away. If you can't, just bring this leg a little bit further back round, get both of your hip bones, your tailbone, on the floor, and hold there. If you need a little bit of deeper stretch, send your fingertips all the way over to that leg that's extended, pressing behind the knee down to the floor, and hold right there. Lifting back up, stretch out that other inner thigh. So you're going to bring the leg in, send this leg out to the side, grow nice and tall, trying to get both your glutes on the floor. This knee is in, hold there. If you can't feel it and this leg is all the way backwards, bring this fingertip over towards your toe, behind the knees, pressing down to the floor, and just hold. You should feel a gorgeous stretch from the inside of the thigh. Breathe, exhale, and well done in your inner thigh workout today. If you've got any questions or comments, feedback, drop them down below in the comment section. Make sure you hit subscribe. I will see you again next time for another workout. Bye.